Right, guys, I'm here to take the confusion out of this for you. Cross-drilled slotted rotors, what direction do they go in? There's no numbers on my box. I'm up at creek. All right, we're going to take the confusion out of this for you. I'm going to show you what's the real deal and an easy way to figure this out. All right, so there's all kinds of information online. Some guys are telling you, hey, on these cross-drilled slotted rotors, the slots should point towards the rear of the vehicle. Some manufacturers want you to put them on that way. Other manufacturers, depending on the rotor, are going to tell you that these slice marks should point towards the front so that they dig into the brake pad and get the debris out of there. So there's a lot of conflicting evidence. They all seem to be a little bit different. So if your boxes aren't labeled, an easy way to figure this out is to look at the edge of the rotor. Your rotors should have a part number on them, and it should end in like an L or an R. An L would be left side of the vehicle, and R would be the right side of the vehicle. And that's always to tell the left from the right side of the vehicle, it's always as if you're sitting in the driver's seat. And so if you're in the driver's seat of the vehicle, your left is your left and your right is your right. That's the easiest way to figure it out, take the confusion out of it. So hope that solves the mystery for you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You'll learn all kinds of cool shit. Take it easy.